Yeah, you're gonna be a good girl. And eat all your medicine and eat all your food and be a good girl. Teddy. Teddy. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Good boy. Hen. Good boy. Hen. Hen. Good boy.
这小手头，小手头给它锁上。
With Honey doing last minute packing.
Hey.
Hi friends, today is a Saturday and it's actually the beginning of our travel vlog. We're going traveling today, overseas. So excited. It's been 3 years and it's a night flight, so right now we're just out having lunch. I'll show you guys what we're having for lunch. This is actually my every Saturday ritual, so I can't miss it even though we're busy at home packing. I have to come and eat this really nice lunch. We're in the airport now. Everything feels so new and refreshing because we haven't been here for about 3 years. We're waiting in line because we're actually 4 hours early, so we're not sure when they're going to start check-in. So we're just here waiting and hopefully we'll be the first ones in.
Oh, that's great. Okay, we can do it.
Our bags are checked in and now we're checking ourselves in. So we're going into gate. We're inside now and this time we're actually flying with China Airlines and we're going to Japan. If you guys didn't guess already, we're going to Japan, we're going to Osaka and it's going to be a 2 weeks, about 17 days trip. We haven't traveled in 3 years since COVID, so this time we want to, you know, go there even though we can't go there for so long, but we still want to do it to the extent that, you know, we're going to be relaxed, enjoying ourselves and enjoy Japan again. Also brought a special buddy this time. It's my special buddy, avocado. Our first stopover is at Taipei. I didn't get that much sleep on flight. James had a bit more sleep than me. Actually, the food was coming and he was still asleep. So that's good. We're currently finding restroom with possible seat, but because it's 4 in the morning, there's nothing that's open. So we're trying to find a place that we can sit down and change and possibly like do a quick wash in the bathroom. It's actually our first time here at Taipei, and also right now it's 4 in the morning, so there's no one, so it's a really good chance to show you guys I just walked past these really cute statues. This looks like a girl with plants. There's another one. This one you have to look at this side. Second leg now from Taipei to Osaka. Let's go. This is so familiar now. Every single time we come to Japan, we walk across this bridge. However, I think this is the first time we walk across it in daytime, because normally when we arrive, it's nighttime, so we take a day trip and arrive at night. It's pretty brisky. Right now it's about 4 degrees outside. Thank God for my jumper. James is just wearing a thin jacket, but I think soon we'll go and find somewhere to change. But first we need to find the JR station to see if we can change the JR passes we've purchased. We all look different now, and that's because we actually came to the Airbnb first. I figured that us carrying the suitcase, and it was about a 20-minute walk, and outside is absolutely freezing. The wind chill is literally minus 10%, hence why you can see I've put 2 more layers under this because it's so cold, and also my pants as well. But I want to show you our little Airbnb. It's actually really nice and cozy and clean as well. So when you first come in, that's the door, and we're on the 10th level, so it's quite high up. In total there's 12 levels in here, and to the right there's the bathroom and laundry and shower. James just had a shower, hence why it's wet inside. And to the left here is a toilet. Of course, Japanese toilet, separate from the bath, which is convenient because one can go to the toilet and the other one can have shower. And if you walk in, here's a kitchen, little kitchen here with a fridge. I'm really thirsty and they didn't give water, so really want to go outside to get some water. And inside there's the bedroom. Outside there's a balcony too, but it's really cold, so I'll show you guys another day the balcony. And here is like a lounge and TV area. Another really cool thing is the wardrobe here is really big, so you can see we actually put a whole suitcase in here and it fits. So right now, as I said, we're running out because first of all, I'm really thirsty and also really hungry as well, because we came back, cleaned up a little bit. James put on more layers as well, and he had a shower. And it's currently 5, I think. We arrived here at 3.
Yeah, a little bit past 3.
Yeah.
Maybe 10 past.
So let's go find some water and find some food, and also other things that we need around the apartment. Currently making our way to Tontonbori. So, because we don't have any coins right now, so all of the vending machines, it's best to use coins, I think, because it's just easier. I don't want a whole lot of change, but that's how you get coins anyway, the irony. So we want to go to a convenience store to get a bottle of water, and then go to Tontonbori. Well, I want to get this Tontonbori. I want to get this facial device, but I'm not sure if the stores are open because it's 4:30, and like you have to go to look for that item. Not sure if I have the energy for that because I'm hungry as well.
I want to ask for help.
Found a Lawson, and James is happy that he found fried chicken. It's actually self-serve.
Fried chicken. Very nice.
We can't wait, so we're just eating inside the Lawson right now.
Hello.
And also it's too cold and windy outside to eat.
Exactly.
And I drank this much of water already. I want to drink some more. We made it to Tonobori, 10 minutes walk. I feel like it's less than 10 minutes. You can see behind me the big crab. And already there's drugstores galore. You just know I'm gonna go there and buy all the makeup. I already have one mascara that I want to buy. These actually don't look that bad because initially when we came in the airport there was actually quite a bit of travelers, but walking down Donompori now, it doesn't.
Many people, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't look that bad.
A lot less. It's a lot less than a few years ago.
Stressed as the.
Big bad wolf.
I'm really happy because I actually found the item that I was after. Not exactly the same one because I was after a facial device that was by Miss Arrivo. But the thing is, because it's been so many years since COVID, apparently the brand has not been doing that well, and they actually recommended me to use Yamen, and they tried it on my hand and basically, told me all the benefits and said how it's better than Miss Arrivo. So I ended up getting the Yamen one, which works out to be cheaper as well. So I'm happy. And James is behind me frantically trying to find a salesperson because I need something for my hand. It's in a really bad state at the moment. We got our first shopping items for the day. I got the facial device as I was said before, and I also got 2 hand creams. Right now we're going to Kuruma Market because this is what James is looking forward to, and our accommodations are actually really close to Kuruma Market because James wants to eat Kuruma Market whenever he has the chance he can in this trip. So we're going there right now. I'm seeing so many restaurants and so many foods. It feels really, really surreal because I've been watching all these videos all these years since COVID, wanting to come here to eat all these foods, and right now we're just standing right next to it. I can almost taste it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
We're going to get some.
Unfortunately, I only have one tummy. James only has one tummy too. 5-minute walk later, we're at Kuruma Market, but as you can see behind me, it looks like everything's closed and it's only 6. Still some seafood stores open, but it looks like the restaurants are closed. Maybe go forward and see. There seems to be more. We just found this restaurant behind us and had a really quick meal there, but it's actually really nice. And it's cheap as well. It's 100 yen each sushi. We've tried a couple of different sushis. All of them tasted fantastic, and especially the prawn. I don't know if it is the different species of prawn here at Japan. The prawns here, sashimi prawn, are literally sweet. So nice. And because I wanted something warm, I had a egg, like a steamed egg with seafood in it. That was nice too. So we're heading back because tomorrow's gonna be a big day and we didn't get that much sleep last night. So we're going to go to the convenience stores now to get the essentials like water, some snacks, maybe some tissue and toilet paper as well. And then go home, wash up and get ready for tomorrow. Nearly lost James again. He saw the restaurant behind us, which is another sushi store. He did a double take, so he looked at it once and go, let's try here tomorrow. And I go, okay. And then I kept walking, and then he went back and kept looking at the menu.
Just double check.
Yes, double check if it has the things that he wants to eat, which I'm pretty sure it does. So James also got ice cream from the convenience store.
Yeah.
And also some sausages that he's hiding. But he's gonna eat the ice cream first.
Yep.
I thought he was full from the sushi, but no. Is it nice? Is it chocolate inside too? Oh.
Ice cream is very good.
The chocolate goes all the way through.
Mm.
Yeah. And he also got some sausages too. Okay, very good. Very good.